The Mississippi River, America's spine, it's seen it all. From canoes to steamboats to diesel-powered behemoths, a river cruise? Not your typical vacation. This ain't no Caribbean booze cruise. This is about history, culture, food that'll stick to your ribs. We're talking about the heartland of America, where blues was born, where battles raged, where the ghosts of the past still linger. Get ready to eat, drink, and soak it all in. Memphis, home of the blues, birthplace of rock and roll, Elvis's stomping grounds. This city's got soul. First stop, Graceland. Love him or hate him, the King's Mansion is a sight to behold. Then hit Beale Street. Music spills out of every doorway. Get a plate of ribs, smoky and sweet. Wash it down with a cold beer. Memphis is best experienced, not explained. Vicksburg, Mississippi, a turning point in the Civil War. The siege, the surrender, the scars still remain. Walk the hallowed grounds of Vicksburg National Military Park. Imagine the battles, the sacrifices. Visit the USS Cairo, a Civil War ironclad raised from the river's depths. History comes alive in Vicksburg, a sobering reminder of a divided nation. Section 4, Natchez, where time stands still. Natchez, Mississippi, antebellum South. Think grand mansions, sprawling plantations, a glimpse into a bygone era. Tour Stanton Hall, a masterpiece of Greek Revival architecture. Imagine the parties, the secrets whispered within its walls. Visit Longwood, an unfinished octagonal mansion, a testament to the shattered dreams of the Confederacy. Natchez is a place where time seems to stand still. Section 5, the charms of St. Francisville, Baton Rouge, and Vacherie. St. Francisville, a town straight out of a storybook. Plantations, gardens, and stories of the Old South. Baton Rouge, Louisiana's capital, a mix of old and new. The State Capitol building, a towering Art Deco masterpiece. And then, Vacherie, sugarcane fields stretching as far as the eye can see. Oak Alley Plantation, its iconic avenue of oak trees, draped in Spanish moss. A hauntingly beautiful sight. This Mississippi River journey? It's a history lesson, a culinary adventure, and a cultural immersion all rolled into one. You'll leave with a full stomach, a head full of stories, and a newfound appreciation for the mighty Mississippi.